Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to make this Cool Whip ice cream. So this recipe is so simple, and I really like this. I like the idea of ice cream, but it's always so cold and it makes my teeth hurt. And this is just better, in my opinion, than ice cream. So it's a tub of Cool Whip. I'm using the extra creamy kind, and then I am using Oreo flavored Jello pudding mix. You could use any flavor you wanted. I also made another batch of cheesecake flavor, and it was also delicious. You put that in a bowl with a little bit of heavy cream and mix it up, and it's like that simple. And then you just put it in the freezer for 4 hours, and it's like ice cream. It tastes like ice cream, sort of, but for some reason, like Cool Whip just isn't as cold feeling in your mouth. So it's like it's still frozen and it's still cold, but it's not quite as cold as ice cream. It doesn't hurt your teeth, and it's delicious. And you can make it completely sugar-free if you get sugar-free Cool Whip and sugar-free Jello mix. But that's it. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.